Hi guys, I'm Pallavi. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the daily planners as well as journals that I own. I'm someone who has got into the habit of journaling since past 3 to 4 years, and I think this is the best ever habit that I have adopted in my life till date. As a beginner, I always had this question in my mind that what should I write in my journal? So slowly I started pouring out all my thoughts in journals. Whatever I was feeling like, I used to write in journal. Be it if I'm sad or be it I'm happy, everything I used to write in my diary. But the main task while maintaining the diary journal was that I always had to hide my journal from my parents and from my brother, because I was a very shy person and I used to think that what will they think of me when they'll read something that is really very personal of mine. This is the daily planner that I have bought for myself for next year, that is 2021. I've talked about this planner in my previous video also, where I have done stationery haul video. I'll leave the link of that video in the description box if you're interested. So today's top 4 goals. So this is the first section of the daily planner. I'm writing one by one what are my top 4 goals for today. Today is Sunday and that's why I'm shooting a video, and that's why I have written all those 4 things. Again, there is today's schedule section and today's to-do list section. So for me, they are most probably the same things that I am going to write here one by one. In any planner, your goals as well as schedule or to-do list are the most important things that you should keep in mind, and I think this planner is serving the main purpose. Again, on the next page you can see there is a notes section. You can write everything. Again, there are meals, and yes, everything is there. Likewise, on every other page you can see similar things. You can check out at the end of the day whether you have performed your all the goals well or not. So this was my daily planner in which I can plan out everything, like as a student as well as my daily activities. I can plan out everything in this planner. Next journal that I have with me is this gratitude journal, which is from Factor Notes, and I'm really impressed by this journal, which has all the plain pages, and here I have written welcome 2021, and also this is drawn by me, a little art by me. I am someone who firmly believes that paying gratitude to every other person who has served you in some or the other way is really very important. But at times we cannot go to everyone and say thank you for all the things they have done with us. So instead, what you can do is maintain gratitude journal. You can write in that everything, or you can write about every other person who has served in best possible way in your life, or at some point whoever has done something good to you. You can write everything in your gratitude journals. So this is me. I'm preparing for my next year's gratitude journal. So this is something I have written, key point about myself. Right now I'm thinking what to write about myself, or what is something good that I have in me. I can say from my personal experience that we are too busy in our lives where we don't get time to thank everyone whatever we feel like. Like, the communication gap has increased in all of us so much. So I think we have reduced the communication gap between ourselves also. We are not talking to ourselves, and I think writing gratitude journals is the best possible way wherein we can connect with ourselves. So, I think journaling has helped me in connecting with myself, and that is the best gift that I have got from this habit of journaling. This is my 2020 journal, and I wanted to show you, that's why I've included in this video. This is my simple art. As you can see, there are ruled pages in this journal. I don't know, but I love these ruled pages. I've used a lot of sticky notes. This is my TED Talks section. I have this habit of listening to many TED Talks and I write down each topic that I hear. I have the habit of making notes also. So, yes, I've written everything. Again, on the sticky notes, I have written my favorite quotes. I think they really motivate me in some or the other way. So, some blank. Again, some topics, my personal opinions I have written. So this is very simple journal that I own. I hope this video has been really very useful to you. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you will also get into the habit of journaling. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.